On August 15, 2024, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation from the historic ramparts of the Red Fort, marking India's 78th Independence Day. His speech was filled with significant announcements and visionary plans for the future of India. Here are some of the key announcements that PM Modi made today. I am Shivangi and you are watching India TV. In his address, PM Modi highlighted the government's commitment to expanding India's medical infrastructure. He said that over the next 5 years, nearly 75,000 new medical seats will be created to meet the rising demand for medical education. This move comes as a response to the 25,000 young Indians who currently pursue medical degrees abroad.
करीब 25,000 युवा हर साल विदेश में मेडिकल एजुकेशन के लिए जाते हैं और ऐसे ऐसे देश में जाना पड़ रहा है। कभी कभी तो मैं सुनता हूं तो हैरान हो जाता हूं। और इसलिए हमने तय किया है कि अगले 5 साल में मेडिकल लाइन में 75,000 नई सीटें बनाई जाएगी।
Further, addressing the global challenge of climate change, PM Modi reaffirmed India's ambitious target of installing 500 gigawatts of non-fossil based energy capacity by 2030. This commitment aligns with India's broader goal of achieving net zero emissions by 2070. PM Modi also celebrated the achievements of Indian athletes at the Paris Olympics and extended his best wishes to India's Paralympic athletes. He further unveiled India's aspiration to host the 2036 Olympics. Notably, the Indian Olympic Association, that is IOA, has initiated discussions with the International Olympic Committee's Future Host Commission, that is FHC, as the first step towards securing the rights to host the 2036 Summer Games. This announcement was corroborated earlier this month by Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, Mansukh Mandaviya, who provided details in a written reply to the Lok Sabha. In his address to the nation, PM also took a stand against nepotism and casteism, calling for the removal of dynastic and caste-based politics.
दुर्भाग्य से हमारे देश में आजादी तो मिली, लेकिन लोगों को एक प्रकार से माई बाप कल्चर से गुजरना पड़ा। सरकार के पास मांगते रहो, सरकार के पास हाथ फैलाते रहो, किसी की सिफारिश के लिए रास्ते खोजते रहो, वही कल्चर डेवलप हुआ था।
He announced a plan to involve 1 lakh youth from non-political backgrounds in the political arena, aiming to foster a more inclusive and equitable political environment. According to PM Modi, these steps will help our nation transform into Viksit Bharat by 2047. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.